In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Google Docs in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to add a bit of style to your document or simply prefer a different look, changing the font can make a significant difference. Let's get started with this easy and quick guide. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you use regularly. In the search bar, type Google Docs and press Enter. You should see a link to access Google Docs right at the top of your search results. Click on this link and it will take you directly to the Google Docs homepage. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll need to log in. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Simply fill in your email address and your password to proceed. In case you don't have a Google account yet, you can create one by following the Create Account link and completing the registration process. Now that you're logged in, open the Google Doc where you want to change the font. If you haven't created a document yet, you can start a new one by selecting Blank or use one of the available templates. If you have an existing document, you can find it under Recent Documents. Next, you'll want to select the text whose font you want to change. To do this, click and drag your mouse cursor over the specific text you want to modify. If you're looking to change the font for the entire document, there's a faster method. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+A if you're on a Windows or Chrome OS device, or CMD+ on a Mac. This shortcut will select all the text in your document. With your text selected, direct your attention to the toolbar located at the top of the page. You'll notice a font name displayed there, such as Arial. This is the default font for Google Docs. Next to the font name is a small drop-down arrow. Click this arrow to open a list of available fonts. As the list of fonts appears, you'll have the opportunity to explore Google Docs' diverse font library. Scroll through the options and click on the one that suits your document's style or your personal preference. Once you make a selection, you'll notice that the font of the highlighted text updates instantly, reflecting your choice. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to changing the font in Google Docs. This simple tweak can enhance the appearance of your document, making it more engaging and personalized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.